what's up? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I've got some few extra things that I've got for the Nissan as well as for the Scirocco that we're going to install or open this package like right now. But before we continue, please don't forget to like that. Before I open this package, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and also don't forget to click that bell icon. So let's continue. Right, so I've got this packaging that I've received. I bought this from AutoStyle. I'll give you the link down in the description. So let's start opening it. Let me tell you the story first. The reason why I bought this, one of my friends have installed this in his Golf 7 GTI. I really like it, so I decided I'm going to do it myself as well. So yeah, I decided to order this. I'm going to open the packaging now, and then we're going to install it and see what it looks like. So let's start opening with the packaging. Alright, as you guys know, for a car guy, any car enthusiast, there's nothing more exciting like opening or receiving one of these packages. So yeah, it's lovely. All of us love getting new car parts, and especially installing them and showing them off. So let's see. Oh goodness, what we've got here. I'm not going to be playful with this packaging. Okay, so this is what I've got. It's the tail box lamp. Like you guys know, it's for that boot, the backlight in the boot. So I'm going to install this in my Scirocco. But first, I just want to open them up first and inspect it and see what it's like, how it works, and what. Alright, guys. So if you check here, it shows you. I don't know if it's going to zoom like in or what. Let me do it this way around. Okay, so as you can see, it's basically got this diagram that it quickly just shows you what's what, and then as well there's the light. So just by quickly testing it, I'm gonna have the normal 18-volt battery here, and then let me show you guys how I'm gonna wire it. So the black wire is the earth. This black one is the earth. So that one we're gonna put here on the negative for the battery. Okay, just clean it up. That is going in there. Alright, so then the red one is like a permanent power. This one will always have power, so that one will stay on the red, will always have power. Then you've got the white one as your braking light. Let me just stand out of the way so that you can see the lights. Move it a bit. There you go. So this is the brake light, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's the brake light. I just want to see something. Okay, then you've got the reverse light, and then as well you've got your indicators. So I believe that's left and that's right. Okay, so we know that it works. Let's go and install this Oki in my Scirocco. So first things first, what I'm gonna do in the Scirocco, here by the light, you've basically got this panel here. You just remove it, and then in the inside you should see that there's like this screw. So basically, not that one, sorry, it's this one. Here we go. So basically just loosen it all the way until it's out, and then once it's finally out, you've got your light here, and then you can basically just remove your, oh goodness, look how dirty that is. Okay, but anyway, here's the wiring for the lights that we're going to use. We'll cut that up a bit so we've got working space, and then also make sure that you clean up here. So yeah, I'm going to start with the wiring. Alright guys, so yeah, basically what I've done, especially with the Scirocco, So I did use the test light to test each and every light. For example, this is now in reverse. That is why I'm keeping it like this. It's because when I leave it in park, it just goes off, you can't see anything. And then when you put it in reverse, this is basically what it looks like in reverse. And then if you press the brake, it basically just flashes. What I can also do is show you the indicators. So yeah, that is in reverse. Let me show you when it's the indicator is on. So there you can basically see what it looks like when the indicator is on. As you can see, it's indicating, oh goodness, I don't know what it doesn't want to focus now. As you can see now, it indicates all the way to the left. And then if you switch it on to the right, then this is what it looks like when you turn it on to the right. And then if you close the boot, that is the effect that I was after, is that exact effect. Obviously in the daytime you won't see it, but in the night you'll basically get the full effect. So yeah, you'll get the biggest effect. So yeah, like I said, what I started with, I took a test light whereby it's a negative and a positive. If it meets, it does switch on the light in the test light. So in that way I've basically traced everything, put the indicator on, check which wire is flashing, and connect that wire, same with that side. Then as well, I put the car in reverse, I see which light goes on, which one goes off, same as the brake. I look which one is going bright and which one is going dim. And yeah, that's how I traced it. And then second of all, my biggest problem that I had was getting a powerful enough 12 volt, as the original 12 volt from the lights itself is not good enough. So basically what I've done there is I've put this light, I switched it on the fog light that comes up at the back. So I'll switch it on there, so now I'll be able to control it. I'll be able to switch it on and off from the fog light at the back. And then yeah, so it does look much better, works better. And then yeah, this is how I've done it. Alright guys, so yeah, unfortunately that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's quite short. It's just that I got it and I really wanted to put it up on the car. And like I mentioned to you guys, everything I do to my Scirocco or to my Nissan, I will make videos of it. But yeah, so guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you've watched the full video, you guys must have a lovely day further, and God bless. Enjoy. You see that button in the middle? Be sure to click it. I know you want to. Oh yes, I know you want to. And also check that video on the left as well as on the right. It's a video that YouTube suggests you watch, and on the right is a video that I suggest you watch. Enjoy. Cheers.